Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between two popular power supply units, the Segotep 750W and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3. Both of these PSUs boast impressive features and certifications, but which one is the right choice for you? Let's explore their specifications, pros and cons, and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to wattage, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 takes the lead with its 850W output, providing greater headroom for high-performance components. In contrast, the Segotep 750W, while still capable, may limit users looking to power more demanding setups. This difference in wattage can significantly impact your system's performance, especially if you're planning to use high-end GPUs or multiple components. Warranty is another crucial factor to consider. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 offers an impressive 10-year warranty, giving users peace of mind for long-term reliability. On the other hand, the Segotep 750W comes with a 5-year warranty, which, while decent, doesn't match the extensive coverage provided by Cooler Master. This could be a deciding factor for users who prioritize longevity and support. Lastly, let's talk about price. The Segotep 750W is priced at $99, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who don't require the highest wattage. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 is slightly more expensive at $109. However, considering the additional wattage and longer warranty, many users may find the extra cost justifiable for the added benefits. In conclusion, both the Segotep 750W and Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 have their strengths and weaknesses. The Segotep is a great choice for budget-conscious users, while the Cooler Master offers superior wattage and warranty for those looking for long-term reliability. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.